Hey guys, guess what I'm doing? I am doing a Sonic mukbang. I'm trying their dill pickle cheeseburger and the dill pickle fries. And I'm doing an evening mukbang because I wanted to do something different. So let me get situated here. Got me a unsweet tea with peach flavor. I don't know if it's healthy or not because it's unsweet, but it's got peach syrup in it. So let me try it. See, I like it when they put a lot of peach in it so I don't have to add anything. Alright guys, I'm excited about this. And Eric is at big band tonight, so I figured tonight would be a good night to do this mukbang. Ooh, I hope this is good. I really do. Oh my. Okay, so I had them add bacon. So this has lettuce, pickle, and ranch something on it. Ooh, it's messy. I might have to take some of that lettuce off. And hold on. I don't want to get my cool Swindell shirt messed up. And as you can see, my hair is bright red and my lipstick's bright red, and this is no filter. This is the true color, no filter on this. Okay, I'm trying to get situated here. So here's the dill pickle fries. Okay. And they gave me ranch. So I'm trying to get situated. I don't really like to eat here a whole lot because they always mess up stuff when I come over here. Some days it's good over here and some days it's crap. And I can't open the ranch. Oh man. Ooh. And it's a little cooler doing this evening mukbang. Okay. Just trying to get it situated. I hope y'all went and saw my other videos, you guys. I got a lot of good ones. Okay, let me get this burger situated. Man, it's got a lot of stuff on it. Okay, let me take a bite. It's the dill ranch bacon. I got bacon on it. Okay. I need a napkin. So, I want to talk about a couple of things. This is good. Dang. Excuse me, guys. It's kind of, ooh, it's messy. So I went to a couple of movies. I didn't talk about them yet. I went and saw this really dumb movie 2 weeks ago called The North Man, and it was stupid. It was like a Viking movie. It was so stupid. I'm not into like Viking type movies. I knew it was gonna be dumb. I knew it. I gotta take this honking piece of lettuce off. Hold on. It was stupid. I didn't know what in the heck was going on. And somebody we know actually walked out. Nobody, nobody I know liked that movie. A lot of people said it was stupid. I had to get up and walk out and go to the bathroom because it was pretty stupid. But if you like, man, this is greasy and messy, you guys, sorry. I'm trying to not be gross. If you like fried pickles, get this. Yeah, Northman was pretty dumb. And then the next day, actually it was it we went last week. I think it was last week. We saw the next day we saw that Nicolas Cage movie. That Nicolas Cage movie. It was a little better. I was dozing off though. So I don't know what was going on because I kept nodding off like this. So that movie, I don't know. I can't really tell you if it was, I mean, it was better, but it was still pretty lame. Man, this is messy. I'm gonna have to get me some hand sanitizer. I mean, it was Nicolas Cage. I mean, he was making fun of himself. He plays himself in the movie. He was making fun of himself, so it was pretty fun. I mean, it was, you know, it was alright. I didn't love it or hate it. I mean, it was just okay. But you guys, I would definitely get this again. And add bacon. The bacon makes it. Another movie that I kind of liked was The Batman. We saw The Batman when it came out. And I think out of all the Batman trilogies, the series, I like the Dark Knight ones with Christian Bale. But this one with Robert Pattinson, I mean, it was good. It was darker. And what I mean by darker, I mean, if you go see it, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's dark. So, I was getting a little confused at times watching it, though. So, Batman, The Batman, I thought it was pretty good. This week, I'm seeing that, Doctor Strange movie. So we'll see about that. I never had fried tomatoes. I never had boiled peanuts. I never had fried pickles. I never had grits and shrimp until I moved to Georgia. And that's some good eating. That is some good. I remember when I lived in Pennsylvania when I was a kid, and my parents had gone out of town, so I had to stay with some people. And my mom gave her a list of what I like to eat for breakfast. And my mom put on the list that I like to eat grits. And they were like, grits? You know? They don't eat grits in Pennsylvania. They're like, grits? If you don't like grits, there's something wrong with you. I love. Well, I never heard of eating grits as like a side item. I just knew you eat grits at breakfast. I didn't know you eat them at a restaurant for a side, you know? But I love Southern food. I love it. I've been seeing this, this singer. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. Lizzo. She plays the flute. I don't know why everybody thinks that, like, Lizzo is the greatest thing. I've heard better, guys. So, I mean, and Lil Nas X. Lil Nas X. Don't get me started on Lil Nas X, please. So anyway, got my big boy. Yesterday was his birthday, so I got my big boy birthday cake. Just a little tiny one. And a balloon and some cards. I don't know what to get him. I mean, we buy each other. We buy stuff when we're out of the store anyway. We're always ordering stuff. So, like, you know, at Christmas and birthday, well, I take it back. For my birthday, I want something. I want something for my birthday. But, like, he doesn't even care, you know? But I do. I feel bad if I don't get him something. Give him something. But, like, family members give him some money, you know, so. But like I said, I used to get him clothing, but he's always losing weight, gaining weight. I can't keep up. And he's not easy to buy for because he's a big and tall. And the only places in town that have big and tall is JCPenney, and they barely have anything. And then Belk. And then Belk, they're too expensive for one shirt. So I just, you know, like, yesterday I said, Eric, I give you permission to order you something that you want. I give you permission. So this burger was really good, you guys, but it needed more ranch, less lettuce, and add bacon. The bacon's really good. I think next time I get this, I'm gonna minus the lettuce and add bacon and more of the ranch. Ooh, I'm actually sweating. I mean, it's evening. It's like 7:30, but it's still, I mean, I got the windows down. Okay, let me finish off these fries. I love dill pickle. Whew. Dang. So, well, yesterday, Eric, what was yesterday? Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesdays, So usually on Wednesdays, Eric's gone till almost like 8 o'clock or whatever, because he goes to work, and then after work he just goes straight to the church, because he teaches trumpet lessons for the fine arts program at the church, and it's like at 4:30 or something, and he's got 2 students, I think. So then after that he just stays for practice, church practice. So yesterday, I'm in the house, and I hear him walk in at 3:30, and I'm like, I don't say, "Hey, Eric." I'm like, "What are you doing home?" And well, he came home because they went bowling yesterday. They went bowling yesterday during work hours. They all went bowling. And so he had to come home and take a shower and then leave. So he came home early yesterday. So it's, when he comes home early, sometimes I'm not like, "Oh, hey, what?" I'm like, "What are you doing home?" Because I don't want him home early. I want him to be at work. I mean, shoot. He needs to be at work. It's been 2 years of the pandemic crap. He finally goes back to work. He needs to be staying at work, I had him at home for 2 years. I don't want him home early. And then he asked me why I'm so grouchy. I'm just like, I'm thinking, because you're home. I need my house to myself for a little bit, So yeah. So I've been trying to get, man, I wish I had some more of that. I've been trying to get some healthier snacks, some sugar-free snacks. So I got this big old Ziploc bag at home full of like sugar-free candies that I found. Some really good ones, actually. Like some sugar-free, like Russell Stovers and Hershey's miniature chocolates. And Eric's been eating them. He's so desperate for a snack. Like, if there's nothing for a snack, he gets so desperate for a snack that he'll eat my sugar-free snacks. He'll get desperate for a snack, and he'll eat the whole thing. But like, I have some little sugar-free Reese cups, miniatures, and he's been eating them before I can even like crack them open. He's already cracking into my sugar-free snacks. But it's like, I can't win, because like, I'll get the sugar-free snacks, but then he's telling me, you gotta watch the calories. I'm like, what? Like, I can't. Like, watch the salt, watch the calories, watch the sugar, blah 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 blah. Like, I can't win. Like, what am I might as well just not eat. Like, what am I supposed to? Am I supposed to cut out sugar? Am I supposed to cut out the salt? Like, I'm just been focusing on cutting out the sugar. That's what I've been focusing on. I can only focus on one thing. It's like, Don't eat salt. Don't eat this. Don't, like, what am I supposed to eat? What am I supposed to eat, you guys? Really, what am I supposed to eat? It's like, I can't, like, win. So I just been focusing on sugar. Ooh, it's really warm. I didn't ride my new bike today because it's just so dang hot. It was like 90 degrees. I'm sweating right now sitting here, and it's evening time. It's almost 8 o'clock right now. I like the evenings like this in town because nobody in Warner Robins is really out and about like during the day. So yeah, I got sugar-free vanilla creamer powder in my car. So, I mean, I'm trying, you guys. I mean, I haven't like cut out everything, but because I'm not gonna just cut out everything all at once. It's baby steps. Baby steps. What else? But yeah, I think I'm gonna get off of here. I hope y'all like my Sonic mukbang. Go get the Dill cheeseburger. I'm gonna do minus lettuce next time and more ranch and add bacon. The dill pickle fries, they were good with the ranch. Do not go see Northman. Do not. It's stupid. Because somebody I know walked out because they didn't like the movie. Go watch The Batman and what else? That I don't know, that Nicolas Cage movie. What's it called? It's like the measurement of weight. Oh gosh, what is it called? It's the Nicolas Cage movie that's out right now where he's playing himself. He's playing it like a exaggerated version of himself. And that's about it. I think Lizzo is stupid. And that's about it. I still don't know if I'm ever going to get a digital camera. I don't know. It's just, I don't even care at this point. At least I have my phone. So I'm gonna just enjoy the rest of my evening because Eric is at big band practice. So I have a little bit of an evening. I'll go home and see if I can watch something on TV. So yeah, guys, go check out my my other mukbangs and just my other stuff, you know. I'm trying to get my channel going. I need y'all's help. But I think I'm gonna get off of here. And I hope you enjoyed this mukbang.